Hi, I'm John and I lead the programmes in Art and Design at North Notts College at the Retford campus. And you join me in my studio where I work with plaster, concrete, clay, paper mache, wire mesh, loads of sort of low resistance materials really. And my work ranges from ceramics, sculpture, prop making and costume making. I exhibit and perform internationally, and that leads back to your experience at the college through a real world experience really of what art and design is about and what we do in art and design. At the college we have a range of studios. We have a textile studio, 3D studio, drawing studio and a digital studio, and all of them interlink. So you can be working with textiles and crossing over to working with clay and plaster or paper mache and filming them, working with green screen, but fundamentally you'll be working with drawing and developing your drawing skills and your confidence with visual communication. Alongside that is your contextual understanding and your development of problem solving, asking questions about your work and developing rigour in your work really. So at college I teach 3D, which is primarily sculpture or model making or prop making. I am also responsible for contextual studies and for filmmaking and life drawing. Throughout your time at college you'll have opportunity to go on visits to museums and galleries around the country. We also like to go on residential visits to places like London. In the past we've been to Paris, Barcelona and Madrid. We like to go and see the major museums, but also the smaller museums and the architecture from the cities. We also like to stay quite local and go to the Basset Law Museum, have a look around the architecture in the local area, and to be involved with a local project. So in the past we've been involved with creating sculpture for the Centre of Worksop and at the bus station, and more recently we've been working with the railway station and the Basset Law Museum as a way of presenting your work to an audience through a client-based brief. So at the college we have a range of courses from level 2 through to level 4 and ultimately our HE programme. And it depends really where you want to go, and we'll help you to get where you need to be. It takes a lot of work, a lot of energy from yourself, but we'll help and guide you. Depending on your qualification and your experience, you'll work through the most relevant course as a way of progressing on to where you need to be next. So you'll be asked to send in a portfolio of work, and at the moment that will be digital, and then we'll see it in the real world. Portfolio of work is quite important as it gives us an indication of what you like doing and the skills that you already possess, so that we know which course is most relevant for you and your progression routes. Throughout the course, presentation remains important, and you'll be expected to present your work at regular intervals within the college building and further afield. So thanks for watching, put your application in, and hopefully we'll see you soon and ultimately see you in September.